G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're just going to be sharpening our chainsaw blade. So first thing I'm going to do is remove our nuts, and I should have a socket but I don't. Well, I do, but it's over there and I couldn't be bothered looking for it, so this should not be on very tight, but there we go. Come on, you bitch. Thank you. Maybe I will have to grab the socket after all, but that's loose now. I'm having fun working around this camera. It's on a tripod in front of me. Sorry to break the illusion. So, ditch our nuts. Juicy. I'm going to take off our bar. Which way does this go? This way. I probably should give this a clean, but I've got to use it tomorrow anyway, so, but I think I will anyway. I'll take it outside and give it a blow. Anyway, before I start picking at it and putting shit everywhere, we're going to hang this thing over the edge of the table. Put our chain in there, and if you can hear some snoring, that's actually my dog over here on the floor. I share my my workspace with my dogs, and she's having a good old snore. So, right. I'm just going to adjust this. It's not too bad. Unfortunately, it's got a little bit of flex in it, which is a pain in the ass. But you get that. Oh my god, that dog snores. Oh dear. Got a couple more dogs over here laying in the sun. Okay, put me safety goggles on, and let's see if we can put this where we can actually see what the hell's going on, eh? Alright, let's give this a go. Oh, you bitch, it's not plugged in properly. Great. I'm covered in camera and shit. Oxygen mask or something. That's shocking. And this one's been done, but I'm just gonna double doing just making sure these are perfect. Move this forward a tiny bit, I think. It's looking pretty good. These later ones are not bad. So we then turn this girl around. This little chain's set on 35, but my bigger one is set on 30 degrees. So we'll change that. And now I'll move this bitch around so let's see what's going on. I try not to get them too hot. If they turn blue, then you've gotten them too hot and you need to do it slower. Because these are heat treated, so if you make them get hot to the fact they turn blue, then they can lose their temper, which means the blades can get soft. Blade is very sandy feeling, needs to be cleaned. And this one's been done. Yep, nice. Okay. Goggles off. Now, safety squints off. Now I think I want to clean this a bit, even though it's nice and sharp now. But anyway, you get that. Have some diesel in the ultrasonic cleaner. So we'll just chuck our chain in here and give her a buzz. I'll put our blade back on as my dog snores in the background. I was doing this the other day and I dropped the bastard on my foot. Very clever. Now, we've got to loosen this up a bit. Let's go here. Got to go backwards, I believe. Yes, goes that way. Like such. Make sure the chain's on the right way. Get it actually onto the cog and not onto the bit in front. There we go, like such. And now we've got to tighten her up, which actually sucks because it's on the inside there, which I think is crap. And it's a flat-headed screwdriver, so it wants to fall out constantly. There we go. Wind her up. There we go. There she is. She's getting tight now. And that's about where we want it. It's pretty good. Put our side cover on. Just check this again. Yep, seems good. Couple of nut jobs. And they don't need to be done up as tight as they were before. I don't know why they were done up that tight. My God, you can snore. And look at the mess yous have made. Bloody hell. There we are, just snug. That's good. Now, watch it don't cut myself. Yep, beautiful. Very, very good. So, beautiful. Now all I've got to do is give it a tune because it was running a bit rough. So, we'll see how it goes. Oh, yes, Snorri. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Big thanks to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. Big shout out and a thank you to everyone who's subscribed. And a special big shout out for those who've used the Buy Jim a Beer button at the end of the videos. And the link down below. You all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.